Tropical Storm Nicole is expected to come up through the mid-Atlantic on Friday. You can see it drops a good swath of rain of 1 to 3 inches all the way up through the mid-Atlantic. It shouldn't be that bad, but it will fall within 12 hours, so just have to watch it. The timing for that, this is 7 p.m. Thursday, this is 7 a.m. Friday, 1 p.m. Friday, 7 p.m. Friday, and then by Saturday morning it's done moved further up the coast. The temps will really crashed over the weekend. This is your Sunday high temperature, so it's really cold, and wind chills will be even colder. Then on Tuesday we have a rain, snow, and sleet system that's expected to come through. This Canadian, this is the GSF model, and this is the European model. We'll know more about that as we get closer.